Do you ever wonder if it's even possible to lose 25 kilograms in just 4 months without spending hours at the gym or giving up your busy life? What if I told you there's a simple plan and it doesn't involve exhausting workouts? Yes, it sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I thought so too, until I did it. And today, I'm sharing every step of my journey with you. Curious to find out how? Keep watching because, trust me, you don't want to miss this. Losing weight wasn't just about shedding the kilos, it was about reclaiming my health. But I found a way to turn it all around, and you can too. It's not magic, it's science mixed with a bit of discipline and a lot of self-care. By the way, make sure to stick around till the end. I have a bonus tip that made this journey faster and easier for me. It's something that no one tells you about. Let me take you back to where I started. I was 77 kilograms, stuck in a hectic corporate job, eating out constantly, and barely finding time for myself. I didn't feel like me anymore. I was tired, and I had to pop meds every morning. And that hit me hard. Oh, I was 18 at the time, and I couldn't imagine a life like that. But then I found a different path, a natural path, and that changed everything. I used to believe that weight loss meant endless workouts and strict diets. But the truth is, it's much simpler than that. Weight loss starts in the kitchen, not the gym. And in my case, exercise wasn't even possible. I was on bed rest for 6 months. So how did I do it? It's not about what you do, it's about what you eat. The first step was changing how I started my mornings. Instead of heavy breakfasts, I began with something light. Every day I start with coconut water or ash gourd juice. It's super hydrating and keeps your body light. Perfect for detoxing and getting your metabolism going. No heavy foods that make you sluggish. Just something pure, straight from nature. After that, I'd follow up with a small piece of fruit. Simple, right? Just one piece, enough to give me energy but not overload my system. Now, for lunch. This was where I made one of the biggest changes. I simplified it. Instead of loading my plate with carbs and fats, I focused on vegetables. Lots of them. One chapati, loads of veggies, and that's it. I still felt full, but not stuffed. I started feeling more energized during the day. Here's a trick. The more natural your food, the better you feel. Skip the processed stuff and go for whole plant-based foods. Now, this step was a game changer. Dinner. Instead of having heavy meals at night, I switched to soups and salads. And trust me, they were still super delicious. Not only did this help me lose weight, but I also started sleeping better, feeling lighter, and waking up with more energy. Your body doesn't need a heavy dinner, especially right before bed. A huge part of my weight loss success was cutting out processed foods. We're surrounded by them, everything from chips to packaged snacks. But here's the thing, processed foods are full of hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. I shifted to natural, whole foods. If it didn't come directly from nature, I didn't need it. Simple rule, huge results. Nasi. I also made detoxing a regular part of my life. Every couple of weeks, I'd do a simple juice cleanse for a day or two. It helped me reset my system, flush out toxins, and feel rejuvenated. It's like giving your body a mini break so it can focus on healing itself. And finally, mindset. Weight loss isn't just physical, it's mental. I set small goals and focused on how I felt instead of just the numbers on the scale. This shift in mindset kept me motivated even on tough days. It wasn't just about losing weight, it was about feeling better, inside and out. So, how did it all work out? After 4 months, I had lost 25 kilograms. But more importantly, I felt alive again. No more meds, no more sluggish mornings, just energy, health, and happiness. It wasn't always easy, but every small step added up. And that's the secret. It's the little things that make a big difference. Now, I promised you a bonus tip, didn't I? Well, here it is. Intermittent fasting. Yep, it's something that helped me speed up my results. It's simple. Just give your body a break from food for 12 to 16 hours. It helps your body burn fat more efficiently and you'll start seeing results faster. Try it and you'll be surprised at how effective it can be. Let's quickly recap the plan. 1. Start your day light with coconut water or juice. 2. Keep lunch simple with 1 chapati and veggies. 3. Go light for dinner with soups and salads. 4. Avoid processed foods. Stick to natural. 5. Detox regularly. 6. Stay motivated and positive. It's a mental game too. And don't forget that bonus tip: intermittent fasting.